She was just on the scene. And then, nothing wrong with the water. The race come with the beans. The race come with the water. They sound niggas are beans. Rapping is so easy. I'm really on this fucking capping. And these niggas probably playing me crazy. Yeah. Yeah. These niggas is playing me crazy. Step, 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 step to the beat. Step to the beat like this. Step to the beat like this. Step to the beat like that. Yeah. I step to the beat. I gotta be fair in this game. Nigga insane. Step on your neck like I ain't yo. He said, and my laundry done. I ain't even gonna do too much. So today I'm gonna just I was gonna delete it. I'm still debating about deleting it. Like this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this. So we're gonna delete this and see what we see. So daily, daily overall daily is buys. Even though it came down here, it's still wicked up. Like sales, you could have got some sales in once it broke all of this. But you can see on the daily time frame, it's still buys. Like you see after it came up, she could have held, came down here. This was a scary hole right here. The buy to come up here, but not as much. Because if you look on the 4 hour, you probably thought it did a little drop. If it did break, it's breaking high. So high, breaks the low, breaks another low, breaks a third low, comes back above previous low of breaks, and it comes down. It doesn't come all the way down here, but it does come down. So what I see right now, so let's go to 4 hour. This is the break. So it's a break right here, comes up. You don't want it to come past here. You'll want price. Come right here. This is just a 4 hour look at. On a 4 hour look at, you want something like that. On a 4 hour look at, you do. I feel like it can range a bit. So it depends on where you take your profit. So if I just look for 4 hours and I want to gravitate to like some buys right here with an hour, the hour is telling me, okay, boom, the hour is telling me it's selling right now. So therefore it's selling. All right, the hour ain't really telling me nothing. It just broke out. You see, this was the low high, break of structure. This was the previous high. It's below the previous high, but not the low. So once it breaks this low, we can change direction, but it's not below this low. But on the hour, as you can see, it's still not below this hour because this is where it ripped up and then it's not back here. So 4 hour and an hour is kind of, it's doing the same thing. We go to 15 minutes. Or 15 minute. I'll still say this is still strong push. I think it does just want to do a little retracement real quick. And then you see as it sell, boom, boom. This is just not good sales to me because this is just a rally up. So I'm waiting for it to come down. It can add some push up. So if it could like push up here, then come down and push up again, I'm willing to buy. So like if it breaks here, comes down, and comes back up, I'm just willing to buy to all the way up here. So basically, let's see, we gonna draw. So it breaks right here. So I want to see something like right now. I don't want to buy sell because it's still you see this rally up. You don't want to sell. We going. You want to see price come above the circle I draw, so we could see that it is buys. Let it come back. See that it is buys. See, see that it is buys. Come down. Come up. The break. Oh, break. Go down. And come up. Or something like that. So I wanted to see that. And for 30, I think I got the same thing. Yeah, so for 30, I just want price to come here. So I want to just put an alert for here for tomorrow. Gold did fucking did it do its thing? Mm, kinda. So gold, I'ma see in different. So gold on an hour. Look, so on an hour. So look, it went a little lower. So come now, you could have bought something right here. I was trying to get this earlier, but it stopped me out. You see how look how it just stopped me out. It stopped me out on Friday. Like I was so it stopped me out like instantly. Like as soon as it stopped me out, I was thinking about putting my stop loss higher, but I was like, it stopped me out instantly. I ain't trade today, so I like it stopped me out instantly. So it just boom, and then and then let me see. Let's go back to the hour. So hour. This is the sales. It kind of made a low right here. Then it broke out. Then I want to see what price do tomorrow. I want to see what price does. Because even so, like say if we switch to buys, never really came back up Dubai anyway. But this is the most it went up to. But if you go to 4 hour, we might can see buys. You see if we had a if you zoom out and just go here, this is a strong spot. It could just come back up at least. Uh, so yeah, this was what it was a sale. Like maybe you thinking, hey, this is going back up to the upside, so you probably wouldn't sell this, but or you was waiting for buys. Like say if I was waiting for buys and I thought this was buy, all right, we in buy momentum now because I'm starting to think. I think we are going to go to buy momentum eventually. I really do believe we are going to go and buy momentum eventually. I really believe so. Yeah, I think so. It's going. It might break out the bar. Break. And then if this breaks, mm, yeah, I think we're going to buy eventually. Like me, I probably would have wanted to buy today, so I probably would have waited to somewhere around here, and then let it at least buy to here, like somewhere price came here. Let's get somewhere like right here. Yeah, so that's about $17. Okay, I like this one. So 30. We waiting for this break of structure. Go. Let's see. Let me see what it's doing for. Right here. Great share. Oh, I see why he sees sales. I see why. Like I said, I see the sales. Hmm. Like I said, if I did sell, it would have been right here. Like where he sold at. Like where his stop loss is at. Let's see. Nah, because there's nowhere to sell. Unless you want to come back up and then try to get one you fit in. Because is it breaking any structure? Let's see. Like, all right, so like boom. So it breaks, comes down, breaks, and another break, and break. It's not making no. You see how it's not respect until you see another switch. So sell comes up, sells again, comes up, sells again. Like, where would you fit in though? Maybe somewhere like right here. Maybe at most, at most, at most. Like if you was golden, you probably could get right here and just make the stop loss like right, probably like right here, like somewhere like right here. A little wickish action, and then take this down somewhere right at least here. I would if that's the only thing you're gonna catch because little sell it comes into New York. You see this five, it breaks the five right here. It comes up, uh, comes in right here, somewhere like uh, Doesn't never come back up. At most, that's what I'm saying. I don't even know if I could even catch this unless it just. I'm trying to think. Mm, maybe right here, but mm, so right here. So that's even worse. So this is probably the best you could have caught. That's probably the best you probably could have caught and just follow. But yeah, that's probably the best. So we gotta let's see. So what we waiting on now? We still can sell. Hopefully it don't come. Hopefully it was wait up here somewhere because it already went to this destination, low key. Like, like if it comes back up here, like it already went to its destination, as you can see. So we want price kind of to see what it's talking about. And then Nas. So Nas, uh, I still like Nas for the bar. It's just I really think because it was tired. So it went up like this. I had to take a break. So let's see. Let's see. I'm about to delete it. I think it's gonna bust out the thing soon. It's not breaking lows on a higher time frame. It's got arrow. You can see all of this. Like on a lower time frame, you probably can trade this. Like you see lower, like on the lower, you probably see lower low comes up. Wait, hold up. Uh-huh. Lower low. It's the high. It breaks here. You probably think it's a high. You see, it's kind of choppy. So like it's kind of high. Probably took the buy. I did buy actually. I bought right here. Didn't work. So as I bought, it just came. No, it did work. It just hit back to stop loss. So like, so I bought right here. And so it went up the first time, then it came back, and then boom. In the evening, it hit back to break even, and then it hit smack stop loss. So then it broke again, but as it broke again, I didn't even buy. So look, broke again. This is the first breakout. So look, so higher high, low low, higher high. So this is the low low. No, so let's see. Hold on. Higher high, low low, higher high, low low. Let's see. So what I'll make the new high? Probably not this high. So I don't know where to get in. I couldn't really tell you. And then you have to make a. Ooh, yeah, this is. Yeah, I'm glad I'm trading Nas. So Nas looking nasty. Nas was just nasty today. Yeah, Nas. Oh my god, that shit. Nas was nasty. Nas was trifling. Like Nas been nasty the few. Like ever since this push, Nas been nasty. Like look, it did this push, and then Nas just been nasty because I bought right here. It went back to break even. Mm, I'm trying to even think where else can you avoid. You'd have broke here. At most, you probably wouldn't buy that. Because breaks. Uh, 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 I got to go. I wanted to hit here. 30, 30, 30 kind of looking nasty too. I want kind of 30 to go up here. What 30 did. Let's go on the higher time frame. Let's see what you see how 30 once it passed there. So eventually 30 do have to right. We just have to see bullish momentum. So we could catch. We probably can't catch all of this, but guarantee if we could see bullish momentum because this is the previous high for the low. You see how I keep going low. If we could break this and then not break under, and then we could find previous highs. Like so, if it breaks this purple line and then doesn't break anywhere below here, and we could find some type of momentum candle and then take it all the way up to here. So something like a clear space candle, something like that. Put the stop loss low, and then boom, boom, because it's showing bullish momentum. Or you could try to find another bullish momentum, like so. If it break high, then break high again. So you could be on the safe side, but you trying to capitalize off. You're capitalizing off the higher time frame. Usually, sometimes I wait for a double, but it's no point of a double because we're already in bullish momentum on higher time frame. Once I pass here, I'm thinking price should push it back up to here and give me something. And so you want to take some profits some places. So like from here, if it could break here and I could find some type of buy momentum at nice a little 4 to 1, 5 to 1, something like even if I do like get right here, like say if I get exactly right here, I probably wouldn't like it so much. Like as you see, I wouldn't like it so much. So I would try to figure out where I can get more leverage. You see how I just scroll down? I can get like a nice 2, or they can make another lower high, and that could save me like a nice 3. But I don't really like how Nas. I don't really like how Nas look. You know, honestly, Nas looks so nasty. But I feel like the bars is coming. I really wanted to drop so bad. I wanted to drop so bad. I want prices like Nas. I really want to drop one more time so I could capitalize somewhere down here and then hold it all the way up there. I think it is gonna do something. Let me see if I don't even know crazy news. Maybe it won't. Like mm, next time we got news is probably 2 o'clock Wednesday. So maybe can't push. Um then GJ. I like how GJ's look. I always want to kind of trade GJ. sell. So you probably would have sold, didn't sell. This like something you could trade on the hour, low key. Because all right, so boom, 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 like even the hour, boom, you can sell. Comes here, sell. God damn, so the boom comes here. Once it breaks here, you can sell a little bit. I go break even, but sell again. Give me maybe play with break even again. Sell again. Play with the SL. Sell again. It does play with breaks thing. Goes a little lower. Goes a little lower back here. Once it pass break here, goes all the way down. You capitalize off that sell. Capitalize off that sell. Comes up, breaks here again. Comes up, doesn't capitalize. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I like GJ though. I'm gonna have to look at GJ. Like high, low, comes here, breaks there, comes up, goes right back into price. Like you love price when it's higher. Like sales, you don't really like it, but when it's buying, you really do like it. Like when anything is buying on a higher time frame, you like it a little more. You always like price a little bit more. You're a little bit more. I'm willing to hold more. Like I always want to come back to GJ. I didn't trade Forex in a long time, but GJ such a smooth deal. Like you're willing to hold like on a long time frame. Don't get me wrong. Go where the trend is going. Like on a 4 hour, if it's selling, sell with it. But I'm willing to hold like for the stronger buy. Like I would have bought right here. I'm willing to hold this to here and be confident because the daily's showing me strong buying momentum. Like it just confluence with confluence with confluence with confluence. It's telling me to buy on the daily, is strong output. So like I would have bought since price broke out right here, boom, breaks out right here, breaks out right here. Let's see. This is previous low comes once price peaks the previous low. Every time I go past the previous higher low, it at least goes to right. What is it? It at least goes right here. So every time it comes here, it goes there. Wham, comes down, almost touch. Like I said, it's the market is not perfect. Every time it comes, boom, almost touch. Then hit the thing. It comes back here again, touches. Like it's like let's look at previous high and just look at market structure. Like if you just know market structure, you good. Like you don't. I don't think I'm not even trying to be on no funny stuff. I don't think I think you need a strategy, but I really believe I just need to understand market structure. Like because people be trying to do strategies in weird spots. Like how I feel of Nas right now. I don't want to trade it. I don't want to trade it. It's nasty. Like I'm not saying, granted, some people can make money off. It's just I like the markets in the best conditions. I really want to make money. I don't want to take chances. Like my joint ain't working. I try to buy right here. I was in thing. I went to break even. Then it went straight. I'm glad I got out because stop loss was a little bit below here. I was like, oh my gosh, it's about to hit. Went break even. Then it went down. Another buy opportunity was probably right here, and I won't buy it today. The market looked so nasty. Because even if I was trying to buy, look how much it wick and fake, wick and fake, wick and fake. 30 looks nasty too. I don't really like how 30 looks. But gold actually looks pretty decent. I ain't gonna lie. Gold looks like a nice pair you'll wanna get in. Like I traded this Friday. It was a nice little Tudor R, but this is a nice little joint you could get in. You could have got in the sale today. Um, right here, look. Like I said, once where price broke out at previous low, boom, comes here, goes back a little previous, it comes here. It's simple, man. It's simple. But yeah, that's my analysis for today, and I'm out, baby.